Hey everybody, today I'm back with another video of squishies. So today, these squishies are from the Dollar Tree. They're great for doll sizes. 18-inch dolls. Let's go on the video. So the first, there's 8 of these, and these are from the Dollar Tree. And so, yeah. So the ones that they have is macaroons, cookies, cuties, donuts. So the first one that we're going to be opening, I'm just going to pick a random one. We got this donut. Oh my gosh, it is so soft. I can't. Just look at it. It's like so soft. Whoa. And so I'm guessing like this is like a vanilla one. And I like how it has that little bite there. I've never realized that. So it's got blue and pink and purple sprinkles. So yeah. Whoa. Oh my gosh. The next one that we have is this cookie one. So yeah. So here we go. And so the next one that we have is one of the cutie ones. So then we have this one. It kind of looks like a cookie. So it's kind of like an emoji. Oh my gosh, these are super soft. Like out of the packaging, it feels hard. In the packaging, it's hard, but out of the packaging is so soft. And so if you don't want the cord on, you can just easily like push down and then just like take it off. See? And so yeah. Yo! The next one that we have is this macaroon. The macaroon actually feels like really tight, like really, really hard. But I think it's just the packaging. So it's this violet macaroon kind of color. It's kind of similar to like this one, but this one looks lighter, and it looks darker at the same time. So yeah, where are those scissors? So hard to take out. Okay, why is there sprinkles on here? So this is really, really hard. I mean, like, it's nice, but it's super hard. It's kind of sticky. So it's not really slow rising, but I really like it. The next one is the pink macaroon, and guys, I'm just randomly getting it. So yeah. So this one is also kind of lightweight. This is exactly the same color. So this one doesn't feel like really, this one's not really sticky like the purple macaroon. So yeah. The next one that we have is this cookie one. It's got such cute design. It's such a cute design. Yeah. So here we have it. It's got like a flower. It kind of looks like a flower. It's white and pink. Yeah. I just want to eat it like. The next one that we have is this one. You can kind of like hear its air come out. So yeah. Let's give it a squish. So like literally like all the sprinkles just keep coming off after like after you're done squeezing it. But come on, like it's from the Dollar Tree. But the softest part is like the back. Yeah, last but not least, is this is another cutie. It's an emoji. So yeah. It's so soft. Look at that. Like if you like squish it down all the way, it's like oh, it's so soft. But I have to say, like the softest ones would like be the these two, because these are so soft. So yeah. So these are all see. So these are all of them. So there's 8, and remember, all of the 8s are so adorable. Which ones there is? They have there's like a little checklist in the back that says what kind of it is, like cookies, donuts, macaroons, and cuties, if you don't know. And so the packaging looks like this. So let's see which ones are for the softest out of all. So these are super soft. I have to say that this one's softer and more slow rising. Then this one is softer. This one is softer. And this one's soft. This one's soft. So it's basically all of their rights. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And leave any other comments down below of what other videos I should do. Bye!